Hello guys, I am Ray Ace Mysterious from Palo Leyte. Now I am in Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Now I'm going to this mall, Riyadh Park. I I gonna eat inside in the restaurants and go to Carrefour. You know Carrefour. That is a supermarket, guys. Shout out to all my friends here, drivers, and all Filipino and Filipina here in Saudi Arabia. Shout out to everyone. I just want to say you be strong, to be strong everyone, okay? Now I am in a Riyadh Gallery. I not Riyadh Gallery, sorry, a mistake. Riyadh Park. I came to Saudi Arabia guys since 2007 until now 2025. You know guys, Saudi Arabia is very good and very nice. We have a freedom here. We can go to the Red Sun and Albata Filipino Market and all the malls, Riyadh Gallery like Riyadh Park. This is Riyadh Park. There is another one, Park View over there. Okay, very nice here in Riyadh Gallery. See, Riyadh Park. Come guys, enjoy us. Come on, Riyadh, Saudi Arabia. Kingdom of Saudi Arabia is very nice, guys. Marcos pa rin, PBBM, shout out. Shout out sa lahat mga taga-baryo dyan. Barangay San Antonio, Malulete, Barangay Kanggumbang, Barangay Terasa, Barangay Kutay, sa sa Buntay. Shoutout sa inyo. Lahat ng mga taga-Terasa dyan, taga-Kutay, taga-Buntay, shoutout sa inyo lahat. Lahat ng mga taga-Palo, taga-Tacloban, shoutout sa lahat. Guys, shoutout nga pala sa mga kaibigan ko dyan sa Qatar. Si Bayaw, Joseph Guzman, at shoutout dyan sa Amerika. Tol Gillard, Tol Gillard! Kumusta nga dyan? Shoutout dyan sa Qatar yung mga pinsang ko dyan ni Robert Dumag. Kumusta kayo lahat dyan? Shoutout ha. We are in Saudi Arabia, guys. Thanks you guys. Now, I'm gonna go home. I'm so very tired. I'm very tired guys. Bye. Thank you. Take care everyone. God bless. Shoutout nga pala. Merry Christmas to everyone. Huh? You see Riyadh Park, there is star, see star, because now is a December Christmas. Yan ay they love Filipino people like because we have a Christmas. Merry Christmas to everyone guys.